Search smart. Expand your keywords. In the previous session, you learned about breaking down your topic into concepts. Let's think of expanded ways to describe your topic. Using alternative terms and keywords may increase your chances of finding useful stuff. For example, if you're searching oranges, using words like fruit or citrus may help you. Another example, if your topic is design and engineering of tall buildings, then you can think of synonyms such as tall buildings, skyscrapers, high-rises, etc. Different aspects of the concept, like construction, engineering, architecture, variant endings, for instance, engineer, engineered, engineering, and abbreviations, for example, CAD, computer-aided design. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST library.